How to upsell and cross sell with WhatsApp order confirmation messages. This is one WhatsApp conversational marketing playbook that is guaranteed to generate you some extra revenue every single month and with very minimal effort. Okay, so I'm going to discuss in detail about this particular playbook. So let's jump into the show without further ado. Welcome to Alpha Marketer. I'm your host Anthony, and we are entering episode number 2 of the Conversational Marketing Show. This is your go-to show to become a conversational marketing expert and turn those conversations into conversions. So, typically, let's understand the purpose of an order confirmation message. Okay, so whenever a customer goes and places an order on an e-commerce store, they are sent an order confirmation message. Okay, it just says XYZ's name and the order number, the order value, and maybe things like when and how they can track their shipment. That's all. Okay, so typically all these days this was used as a customer notification, means it is a one-way communication, and for that email and SMS text messages were used to inform people that yes, your order is confirmed, and moving forward you can track your order with a particular link. That's all. Okay, again I iterate, it is one-way communication. Now with WhatsApp the game is changing. Now with WhatsApp you can change this message into a customer conversation trigger. Okay, this is very powerful, which means with this message you can start a brand new conversation with your customer, and in that conversation you can persuade the customer to buy more. Either you can upsell or cross sell your products. Okay, now how do we do it? Very simple. It's a simple two-step process. First step will be to build the conversation flow. Again, no jargon, don't worry, it's simple. Basically we are going to build a nice chatbot for your website. Whatever product that you have on your store, we will build it as a chatbot. Okay, very easy to understand, fun conversational bots. Okay, second, we set up a conversation trigger. Again, be with me, nothing complicated here. We are just creating a message which initiates a conversation. Now how do we do it? To build the conversational flow or the chatbots, we use a tool called Google Dialogflow. Okay, so here we sit and analyze your website, the various categories, subcategories, the products, and we understand the user flow, user journey, and then come up with a conversational flow, and we build the chatbots using Google Dialogflow. So it's all copywriting. Okay, so in our agency we have copywriters who will map out the entire journey and build chatbots for you. Okay, now once that chatbot is set up, once we have brought in your entire e-commerce store, whether it's on Shopify or WooCommerce, into WhatsApp, now we need to send a trigger so that people can start a conversation. Okay, so we send the order confirmation via WhatsApp now. Okay, so the WhatsApp message will read something like this. It will say, dear XYZ, your order number is so amounting to XYZ dollar or rupees has been confirmed, and then we introduce the chatbot. Okay, we say, I am Alpha bot in my case, or in your case it can be your store name bot. Okay, store name comma bot. Okay, and then it will introduce itself saying that I am your virtual assistant. You have any questions, 24/7 I am available. You can get all your questions answered, and you can also check the other products in our store. And then there are buttons. Okay, so these buttons are the gateway to your website products. Okay, or gateway to your store products. Okay, so in this case, for example, we have given like good health, skincare, hair care. When people click on this, they are taken to the respective products, and when it comes to the products, we can showcase images. Okay, we can showcase videos, we can showcase GIFs. Okay, that's the power of WhatsApp, because it has multimedia capabilities. Okay, so you can educate your customer better and they get to know more about the product. So the marketing is happening on autopilot right now. Okay, and once they are convinced with the product, there's also a payment link. They can click and complete the payment, and the sale is done. Okay, now this is a very powerful passive marketing and sales strategy. Okay, so you run ads at the front end, people buy, and after that, for the existing customers, we have a easy mechanism to get to know more about your products, get their questions solved, provide great service, and they can keep buying more and more. This is a great playbook to increase your average order value and lifetime value. Okay, so this is a stat for one of the clients. So this is a small client for whom we have implemented. So they were roughly generating around 6 lakhs in revenue. Okay, around that mark, that will be around 7,000 odd dollars. Okay, so in a month. Okay, and for them we implemented the WhatsApp store. So within a matter of a month, it generated them around 21,756 rupees. Okay, so that's close to 4 to 5% revenue. So 4 to 5% revenue extra that is happening on autopilot. Okay, that's not a bad thing, isn't it? So this number goes up with the number of orders that you generate. So if you have a big store and if it is generating millions in revenue, then similarly you can expect a 5% revenue from this particular automation play. Okay, and it's all happening in autopilot. You have to just set it up once and these things will keep happening. Okay, so that is this power of the order confirmation WhatsApp conversational chatbot. Okay, so it will generate, it has the potential to generate 5% extra revenue for you every single month. Okay, so now I hope this video was useful. Now if you are an e-commerce owner and you want to implement WhatsApp conversational marketing, or if you are a digital marketing agency owner and you want to learn WhatsApp conversational marketing, then simply visit this link, alphamarketer.in/chat. Okay, very simple. If you go to this link, you will be welcomed by my own WhatsApp sales bot. That sales bot will give you the first-hand experience of conversational marketing, and it will guide you through the whole process. If you're an entrepreneur and you want to implement WhatsApp marketing, it will ask you to book a meeting. You can book a meeting with me, and then we can get on a call and discuss the next steps. Okay, if you want to learn WhatsApp marketing from us, then you can join the program that we have an exclusive mentorship and coaching program. You can join that. Okay, there's also an alternate way. You can simply send a WhatsApp message, send hi to this number +91 733 884 2395. That's it. So I hope this video was useful. I'll be coming up with more and more playbooks. Okay, this is just one of the many playbooks that we implement for our clients to get extra revenue from their store. Okay, with WhatsApp conversion marketing, we believe easily you can generate an additional extra 20% to your e-commerce stores revenue. Okay, and finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It will greatly help me reach out to more and more people like you and help them grow their business. Thank you so much, and bye bye.